Okay, so as we can see, we need to find the heat from the vaporization of the ammonia. So we need to find the heat from the vaporization, and then we'll see what happens with that heat. And that heat is found by multiplying the mass, which is given as 1 gram, which is 1 times 10 to the minus 3 kilograms, multiplied by the latent heat of vaporization, which is 1.34, multiplied by 10 to the 6 joules per kilogram. And when you do that, you're going to get 1.34 multiplied by 10 to the third joules. So now, this is the heat that is generated by the vapor from the ammonia. And this heat is going to get applied now to the ice and the ice rink. Okay? But now we want to find out the mass. So to find the mass now, we need the energy. And we want to divide that then by the latent heat of fusion. And we just found the energy, the heat energy that is being used here. So we're going to apply that. And then we're going to divide that by the latent heat of fusion, which is 3.34 times 10 to the 5th joules per kilogram. And when you do that, you're going to get 0.4. That's 1.34 divided by 3.34 multiplied by 10 to the minus 2. In scientific notation, then that becomes 4.0 times 10 to the minus 1 times 10 to the minus 2. So that's 10 to the minus 3. So this is kilograms, and therefore this is 4 grams. So you have your mass in kilograms, and you have the translation in grams.